Hi, I'm Todd, and I do playwriting things here at Hollins. And I've been asked because I can't actually be here today to give you a brief video tutorial on how to write plays. Um, so I set a timer for 3 minutes, and it's going to go off. So I'm going to try and get everything done in just 3 minutes. The first thing is have fun. If you're not having fun, you're not doing it right. So do it right, have fun. Second thing is 10-minute play. That is a promise that we make to an audience. So you really have to make sure that your play is only 10 minutes long. Now, a minute per page is what a lot of people say, but if it's a monologue, that's like 3 minutes right there. If your whole page is a monologue, 4 or 5 minutes. So be cognizant of keeping things short. The other thing is, even though it is a 10-minute play, that doesn't mean that it's 10 times easier than a full-length play. In fact, in a lot of ways, it's harder, but some things are still true regardless of the length of your play. It still really should have a beginning, a middle, and an end, and it should be about something. And so here's a suggestion, right? Think about something that you want to say, right? A lesson that you would like to learn, like maybe be kind to other people. All right, let's kind of go with that. So, what I would love for you to do is think about a three-panel cartoon and imagine the final cartoon, the final panel is the ending. And that's where a character is illustrating the lesson that you want them to learn. So people are being kind to each other, right? And then think about the beginning. So the first panel of your three-panel cartoon is going to be the opposite of the ending. So what is this person like before they learned to be kind, right? So, and then the middle panel is the moment at which the ending is not only possible, but inevitable. So in a three-panel cartoon about being kind, maybe in the opening panel, your main character is laughing at somebody who gets hurt, right? And then the middle panel, they get hurt and get laughed at. And now they know empathy. They understand what it's like to be laughed at and when you're in pain. And so the final panel is they're helping somebody instead of laughing at them when they're hurt, right? So beginning, middle, and end. Ending is inevitable. The beginning sets up the ending, right? If you do that, right, and then you think about page count, like page one sets it up, 2 pages. The middle of the play, maybe 3 or 4 pages, and the end of the play, another 2 or 3 pages. That's your 10 minutes right there. It's easy and it's fun. The last thing I want to say in 14 seconds is think about your audience. Don't write the play for you, write it for them, and think about how they're going to be receiving the information that you're sharing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, go have fun.